Hey guys, it's your boy Turtle D Jordan here. Welcome back to another video, and we're gonna do something different because I haven't uploaded in a while, and we are gonna eat some Nature Valley canola bar in the cold. It's freaking freezing out here, but I'm gonna do this for you guys because I love you. So the reason I'm doing this is because I have a vegan friend named Tyler. He always gives this to me. And I'm always thinking, why does he always give this to me? And there's only two possibilities. Two, he's just a nice friend. Or, one. Or two, oh god. So I'm just gonna. Whoa. Okay. That's the end of the video. Bye.